Hi everyone, my name is Mark and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the most out of Hashtastic and start slaying the Instagram game. In this short video I'll show you the basics of finding good hashtags using Hashtastic. So first off, we're going to head to the main tool, the search tool. Now let's say I'm posting a picture of traveling to Paris. There are a number of very niche hashtags I could use like travel Paris or I love Paris, but the best way to start is to search for generic terms. So I'm going to type in travel and Paris to start off and hit enter. Now this is going to give us two tables, one for travel related tags and one for Paris related tags. Now here's how this works. The best method to go viral is to go for 10 big hashtags, 10 medium hashtags and 10 small hashtags. That way, if we go viral on the small hashtags, it helps us to go up the ranks on the medium ones. We then go viral on the medium ones, and that helps us go up the ranks on the big ones, and that's how we go viral. But how do we choose? Well, this is where Hashtastic works its magic. Hashtastic has a column for DAPC. DAPC stands for Daily Average Post Count. This is the most important column. Basically, this is the number of new posts per day on any given hashtag. This indicates how fierce the competition is. So for example, if I look at the first three hashtags here, travel life, travel diaries, and travel pics, you'll notice that they've each got 10 million posts against them. But travel pics, however, has a much smaller DAPC. This means there are significantly less people fighting for the top position on that hashtag. So out of these three at the top, travel pics is the one you want to choose. Now, if you're hesitating between two hashtags, for example, travel life and travel diaries, that are quite similar in values, this is where you can use the score. So for example, travel life has a higher score than travel diaries, so travel life will be better than travel diaries. So I'm going to go through the list and pick 10 big ones, 10 medium ones, and 10 small ones. So big are over 1 million, medium are around 1 million, and small are below 1 million. So I'm going to take travel pics and quickly go through the list. Travel Stoke has got really decent DAPC. So you want to go for the ones with the smallest DAPC, but the highest number of posts, so count column. So I'm just going to select these. Well traveled is a really good one as well. I'm just going to slowly make my way through the list, picking the ones with the smallest DAPC and the highest post count. So I've got a couple of really big ones. I'm just going to skip all the way to the 1 million mark. There we go. And pick the smallest ones here. Nice and easy. Now at any time you can scroll back to the top and see how many hashtags you've selected. So we want to go for 30, so we've still got quite a few to go. There we go, so I'm really happy with the hashtag set I've got now. What I can do is click here to copy them to my clipboard, or I can save them as a hashtag set, give it a title, Paris hashtags. Now this hashtag set is saved right here at the bottom as Paris hashtags in the My Hashtags section of the website. That way I don't have to do the search again, they're already stored by Hashtastic. So there you have it guys, that's the easiest method of going viral using Hashtastic and letting Hashtastic do all the work for you. I hope you found this useful guys, but if you've got any more questions, feel free to use the support section of Hashtastic. Send me an email and I'll reply as soon as I can.